Okay.
I got the grenade.
You good? Yeah.
You don't have to tell me twice. I have to.
No problem.
I like making videos like.
You know what that means?
What?
Yay!
Hey, Apple!
What?
Knife! Huh?
Das war's mit uns.
So whenever I see it or smell it, I make this noise to warn you.
Yeah, sure, step aside, kid. We're in a...
What is it? You're late. Greetings.
Just honk at him. Yeah.